Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the picture mode on LG QNED 43QNED80. So to do it, you need to click on the settings button, then it will show you the picture mode at the very top. You can click on that and now you can switch it to the left or right. So just click on that, then click on OK for sometimes because it shows you an alert of energy consumption. And yeah, you can set it to vivid, standard, APFS, which means auto power save, cinema, sports, filmmaker mode, expert, bright space, daylight, etc. And here expert dark space. So it really just depends. I'm gonna set it to vivid, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.